Hello friends, and welcome to Bike Reviews. Today we explore the legendary revival of a true American icon, the Harley-Davidson Shovelhead 2026 model. A masterpiece that blends old-school soul with modern-day performance. This machine is built for those who live and breathe raw power, classic steel, and unmatched road dominance. Let's dive into the beauty, performance, technology, and overall riding experience that this new Shovelhead brings for 2026. Classic heritage with modern attitude. Harley-Davidson has resurrected the iconic Shovelhead design in the 2026 edition, keeping its timeless retro styling alive while enhancing it with a modern twist. The bike features the classic long-stretch tank, beefy front forks, and signature shovel-shaped rocker covers that give it that authentic vintage charm. The exposed engine components, solid chrome finishing, and rugged steel build reflect Harley's deep-rooted identity of heavy metal craftsmanship. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a story of the past, reborn with pride. Engine and performance. The heart of the Shovelhead 2026 is a modernized Milwaukee 8-shovel 131 engine, delivering raw V-twin power with improved reliability, cooling, and torque. With a refined air oil cooling system and enhanced fuel injection, it produces impressive torque, giving intense throttle response at every rotating twist. The engine retains that traditional deep growling Harley note that riders crave, keeping the essence of the original Shovelhead spirit alive. Whether cruising highways or dominating city streets, this machine ensures power, thrill, and soul in the ride. Modern technology with retro feel. While the design stays true to its roots, the Shovelhead 2026 is fueled with advanced technological features. It comes equipped with digital analog hybrid meters, ride-by-wire throttle, 3 ride modes, cruiser, sport, and custom and Bluetooth audio connectivity for rider convenience. The LED headlight subtly blends with the vintage round design, giving a perfect combination of retro aesthetics and modern functionality. ABS, traction control, and Harley's new rider safety enhancements ensure maximum control on every terrain. Ride comfort and handling. The 2026 Shovelhead is engineered to offer smooth, stable, and controlled ride quality while keeping that classic mechanical feel alive. The upgraded suspension system includes adjustable rear monoshocks and telescopic front forks for better highway cruising and shock absorption. The seating position remains upright and relaxed, making long-distance rides comfortable and enjoyable. The wider handlebars, heavy chassis, and low center of gravity provide enhanced stability, perfect for long tours and open road adventures. Design details and build quality. The precision build quality reflects Harley's attention to detail. The sculpted tank, handcrafted leather seat, chrome exhaust, and custom die-cast alloy wheels give it a premium yet rugged appearance. Riders can choose from exclusive 2026 shades, including classic chrome black, vintage copper, and royal steel blue. Harley has also included customizable accessories like side bags, bar-end mirrors, and leather saddle options, making it a perfect personalization-friendly motorcycle. Exhaust and sound experience. Harley-Davidson is known for its iconic exhaust rumble, and Shovelhead 2026 brings it back with its tuned performance exhaust system. The classic loud roaring V-twin sound is preserved, but now with cleaner and smoother acoustic engineering. With new emission-compliant exhausts, it gives deep rumbling and throaty idle like the original Shovelhead, making every ride sound like an American muscle anthem. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. The 2026 Shovelhead offers better fuel efficiency compared to its previous generation models, thanks to an upgraded injection system and lightweight components. Harley has focused on service-friendly engineering, reducing maintenance frequency and costs. The service intervals are widened, and diagnostics are made easier through the onboard smart system, making it a better ownership experience. Pricing and launch expectations. Harley-Davidson plans to release multiple variants of the Shovelhead 2026, including standard, touring, and premium custom editions. The expected pricing starts from mid-premium segment, targeting both vintage-loving enthusiasts and modern cruiser riders. Pre-bookings are expected to kick off soon, with limited edition models receiving custom paintwork and engraved serial plates for collectors. Final verdict, the Harley-Davidson Shovelhead. 2026 is more than a motorcycle. It is a tribute to history, a fusion of soul and technology, and an invitation to experience pure mechanical emotion. It keeps its old-school charm alive while shaping it for the modern world. From its iconic design to powerful performance, rider comfort, advanced electronics, and premium build quality, everything speaks perfection. It is built for riders who don't just ride, but live the Harley passion. Outro. Thank you for staying with Welcome to Bike Reviews. If you love powerful machines, classic heritage, or modern cruiser technology, then the Harley-Davidson Shovelhead 2026 is worth your attention. Like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, upcoming models, and exclusive bike updates. Ride safe, ride proud, and always keep the spirit of the road alive.